Pop Daddy,
Yes, sir.
as a social media TikToker and a celebrity, what do you think about this trending sound I am a choosing?
Guy, I get plenty things to talk, but I don't know how to tell Satan. This thing wey dey call am I am a choosing, I am a choosing. The way e come dey trend these days, me sef I come dey wonder. See how
na so e dey happen, na so e dey happen.
you get.
Yeah.
So fact about this I am a choosing.
Yes.
The way me I dey see things now, maybe I wan join choosing church because wetin never happen don dey happen.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm trying to say is that I dey my house yesterday,
Yeah.
hunger wan kill me.
Okay.
I just carry my empty plate come stand. I shout as I am a choosing. Garri full everywhere. I no need to tell you wetin go happen.
Oh yes.